Benefits of using castor oil every day. Are you fighting an endless battle against dry skin, watching your hair thin day by day, or trying to soothe those persistent aches in your joints? What if I told you the secret lies in a bottle of oil used for centuries? That's right, we're talking about castor oil, nature's answer to many health and beauty woes. Hi everyone. Welcome back. In this video, we're taking a deep dive into the world of castor oil, an ancient oil packed with potential benefits that can transform your daily life. I'll also guide you on how to use castor oil safely, including recommended dosages and potential side effects. Before we get into the benefits, let's talk about what castor oil actually is. It's extracted from the castor plant, a spiky shrub native to parts of Africa. The oil itself comes from the plant's seeds, which are pressed and filtered to create the thick, golden liquid we know today. But what makes castor oil so special? Well, it's packed with a unique fatty acid called ricinoleic acid, which is believed to be responsible for its many potential benefits. So, if you're looking for natural ways to improve your health, this video is for you. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our amazing health tips and tricks. Now, let's jump right into our top 10 benefits of using castor oil every day. Benefit number 1, promotes hair growth. Castor oil is a powerhouse when it comes to promoting hair growth. Its secret lies in the high content of ricinoleic acid, a type of fatty acid that enhances the health of the hair follicles and, in turn, promotes hair growth. By improving blood circulation to the scalp, castor oil ensures that your hair follicles get all the nutrients they need to thrive. Regular application of castor oil not only stimulates hair growth but also helps in reducing hair fall and combating scalp infections that can lead to hair loss. It's a natural and effective way to achieve thicker, fuller hair without relying on chemical treatments. Benefit number 2, natural moisturizer. Castor oil's natural emollient properties make it an excellent moisturizer for the skin. Its thick consistency allows it to lock in moisture, leaving the skin soft, supple, and well hydrated. Unlike some commercial moisturizers that contain harmful chemicals, castor oil is completely natural, providing a safe and effective way to hydrate your skin. It's particularly beneficial for those with dry skin conditions, as it can provide the extra hydration needed to soothe and soften the skin. Moreover, its fatty acids help in restoring the skin's natural moisture balance, making it an indispensable part of your skincare routine. Benefit number 3, reduces acne. The anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties of castor oil make it an ideal natural treatment for acne. By penetrating the skin, castor oil works to fight the bacteria that cause acne, reducing inflammation and promoting the healing of the skin. Its ability to balance the skin's natural oils also prevents the buildup of bacteria and excess sebum, which are common culprits behind acne breakouts. Regular use of castor oil can help clear the skin, reduce acne scars, and leave you with a smooth, clear complexion. It's a gentle yet effective alternative to harsh chemical acne treatments. Benefit number 4, enhances immune function. Applying castor oil can have surprising benefits for your immune system. It's been shown to increase the production of lymphocytes, which are white blood cells that play a critical role in the body's defense mechanisms against pathogens and diseases. This increase in white blood cells can help the body better fight off infections, reduce inflammation, and speed up the healing process. Castor oil's ability to improve lymphatic flow also contributes to detoxifying the body, further bolstering the immune system. Incorporating castor oil into your wellness routine can thus be a simple yet effective way to enhance your body's natural defenses. Benefit number 5, relieves joint pain. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil make it an excellent natural remedy for relieving joint pain and inflammation. When massaged onto the affected areas, castor oil penetrates deeply into the skin, soothing sore joints and reducing inflammation. It's particularly beneficial for those suffering from arthritis or rheumatism, providing much-needed relief from chronic pain and discomfort. The oil's viscosity also makes it an ideal medium for massage, aiding in relaxation and improving circulation to the painful joints, thereby enhancing mobility and reducing pain. Before we move on, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried castor oil before? Share your stories, experiences, or tips in the comments below. Your insights could help others on their journey toward natural wellness. Let's move on to benefit number 6, promotes digestive health. Castor oil has been used for centuries as a natural laxative to promote digestive health. Its ricinoleic acid content helps in stimulating the intestines, aiding in regular bowel movements and relieving constipation. When taken orally, castor oil works as a stimulant laxative, providing quick relief from constipation. However, it should be used judiciously and not as a long-term solution for digestive issues. Besides its laxative properties, castor oil can also help in cleansing the digestive tract and improving overall digestive function when used appropriately. Benefit number 7, boosts hair shine. For anyone looking to add an extra shine to their hair, castor oil is a natural wonder. Its rich nutrients and moisturizing properties help in coating the hair shaft, enhancing its ability to reflect light and thus increasing the hair's shine. Castor oil also helps in smoothing frizzy hair and repairing split ends, which can detract from the hair's natural luster. By incorporating castor oil into your hair care routine, you can achieve not just shinier, but also stronger and healthier hair. Its natural ingredients nourish the hair from the roots to the tips, leaving it silky, shiny, and easy to manage. Benefit number 8, natural sleep aid. The soothing and calming properties of castor oil can also make it a helpful natural sleep aid. Applying a small amount of castor oil to the eyelids before bedtime can help in bringing on a deep and restful sleep. The gentle massage of the oil onto the eyelids can have a relaxing effect, reducing stress and promoting relaxation. This method, rooted in traditional practices, leverages the natural compounds in castor oil to aid in improving the quality of sleep, making it a safe and simple remedy for those struggling with insomnia or restless nights. Benefit number 9, prevents stretch marks. The hydrating and elasticity-enhancing properties of castor oil make it an excellent natural prevention for stretch marks. Its rich content of fatty acids helps in maintaining the skin's moisture level, improving its elasticity, and preventing the skin from tearing as it stretches, particularly during pregnancy. By keeping the skin supple and well moisturized, castor oil can significantly reduce the risk of developing stretch marks. Regular application, especially on areas prone to stretching, can help in maintaining the skin's integrity and appearance during times of rapid change. Benefit number 10, improves lymphatic flow. Castor oil packs, applied externally, can significantly improve lymphatic flow. This is crucial for detoxifying the body, enhancing immune function, and promoting overall health. The lymphatic system plays a key role in removing waste and toxins from bodily tissues, and improved lymphatic circulation can help in reducing swelling, fighting infections, and speeding up the healing process. The external application of castor oil, through packs, is a gentle yet effective method to stimulate the lymphatic system, aiding in the body's natural detoxification process and contributing to a feeling of well-being. Now, I know you're probably thinking, how to use castor oil safely? While castor oil offers many health and beauty benefits, it's crucial to use it safely to ensure you reap the best results without unwanted side effects. Let's talk about how to do just that. First and foremost, less is often more when it comes to dosage. For topical application, a few drops are usually sufficient. If you're considering oral consumption for its laxative effect, it's crucial to start with the smallest recommended dose and adjust as necessary. Always perform a patch test on a small area of your skin before widespread use to ensure you don't have an allergic reaction. Be aware of potential side effects such as skin irritation, allergic reactions, or gastrointestinal upset. Castor oil is generally safe when used in moderation, but like any natural remedy, it can pose risks if misused. It's vital to use pure, hexane-free, cold-pressed castor oil to avoid contaminants. We strongly recommend consulting with a healthcare provider before incorporating castor oil into your health or beauty regimen, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, or have underlying health conditions. This ensures your safety and maximizes the benefits of castor oil tailored to your personal health needs. Dear viewers, that's it for today's video, a journey through the incredible world of castor oil and its many benefits. It's clear that castor oil is more than just an oil. It's a multifunctional elixir that can play a vital role in enhancing our overall well-being. We encourage you to consider integrating castor oil into your daily routines. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and share it with your loved ones who might benefit from this knowledge. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness. If there are any other health topics you'd like us to cover, please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for joining us today. We're always exploring new ways to bring health and happiness into your lives, and we look forward to sharing more natural remedies and wellness tips with you. So, stay tuned for our next video, and until then, eat well, stay healthy, and take care of yourselves.